fishing line. If you get the good fishing line, it gets tangled up easier in them. So you get the $8 fishing pole with the cheap line, it doesn't get tangled up as easy.
That's it.
You get the monofilament from the fishing store, it's too strong, too knots up too easy. This is the cheap shit, and they tend to never get stuck.
So I think the first question is, why?
Well, because we can. Right? If you could do it, couldn't you?
I guess.
If you could build a Brooklyn Bridge, wouldn't you?
Of course.
Okay, well I can do this. That's what I do.
But how big does it have to be before you keep them?
Usually a little past the yearling. We never really mess with the yearlings. Let the next ones come with the weight. Those are the ones we usually keep, but they're a little more easier to train. They tend to be a little bit more understanding. See? That one is, see, he's an older one, so he knows. You know, this is the way when you're starting out, like the little girls who, when I want to teach them to get ready to be a seagull hunter, you have to start with no string. We start with a pole, a little piece of bread, preferably day-old bread, nothing fresh. The fresh bread comes apart too easy. But other than that, what you see is what you get.
And how long have you been doing this?
This will be my 6th or 7th year. And I only got shit on once. I don't know what that one ate, but man, that shit was everywhere. It was running out of there, it was all over the place. It was disgusting. But it's not that difficult. $8, half a bottle of vodka. That's all you need.
Thanks
That's the most important part.
Thank you.
Good time.